Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new video dedicated to the world of aviation. In the picturesque setting of Vancouver's Cole Harbour, where seaplanes dance on the water and boats glide effortlessly, an ordinary day was about to take a dramatic turn. On a bright afternoon, a DHC-2 Beaver floatplane, loaded with 6 excited passengers, prepared for a sightseeing tour. The anticipation was palpable as they looked forward to an aerial adventure over the stunning coastal landscape. Meanwhile, not far away, a pleasure boat drifted leisurely. 4 friends basked in the summer sun, savoring the tranquility of the water. The pilot of the floatplane, experienced and vigilant, went through the final checks. The engine roared to life, and the aircraft began its takeoff run, skimming across the water with increasing speed. But in an unexpected twist, the paths of the floatplane and the pleasure boat converged. The serene harbor turned into a scene of impending danger. In a heart-stopping moment, the floatplane collided with the boat. The impact was severe, sending shockwaves through the water. Despite the chaos, quick action was taken. Rescue teams were dispatched immediately. Miraculously, the 6 occupants of the floatplane emerged unscathed. However, the boat's passengers weren't as fortunate. 2 suffered serious injuries and were swiftly taken to the hospital for urgent care. The floatplane, despite the pilot's skilled efforts, couldn't be saved and sank into the harbor. The tranquil waters of Cole Harbour held a somber reminder of the day's events. As the sun set over Vancouver, an investigation began to unravel the sequence of events. Questions arose about visibility, communication, and the shared use of the harbor. This incident would lead to important lessons for the future, ensuring the safety of both sky and sea.